How much longer do we have to wait?
The brochure says camp opens August 29th to 31st.
It's June.
Well, the camper exchange program didn't say when to get here, and I didn't want to risk us not getting in.
What are we going to do? We can't sit outside the Roxy Theater all summer. I need to pee.
There's multiple short blocks, Rocky Horror Picture Show, House in 35mm. What was that?
Don't give me that look. I know what you're gonna say. There is no such thing as the sack lunch slasher.
What do we do?
I'm not gonna run for it!
I never should have come to Montana.